What's up, everyone? This is Wayne. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the Stihl GTA 26 mini chainsaw or garden plumber, whatever you call it. I call it a mini chainsaw. Now, I'm hoping some point this thing will get used this year. I'm really hope so. You can see because a lot of people call it garden plumber because it looks like it, but I call it very chainsaw because it's got chains on it because, well, exactly what is that as you can see. This is like 2022 model, so this is at least October of like 3 years ago, I think, or something like that, because you know how I spent in this at the EC. But this is a pretty nice looking machine, in my opinion. I do like this thing also, but I hope at some point this thing will get used this year for 2025, because it's like I said, this thing doesn't get used that often. This thing doesn't get used that often, you can see, because, well, because you know how I spent this thing, which I do, which you can see, because, well, I do like this thing look, because you see how much expected this thing's been used almost quite a bit, because it will get used again at some point, but I don't know when we're gonna get this thing used at some point, because this thing she's just been sitting here for like a month now, and it was since at least like since April, and it got used in May, but it hasn't been, well, it's been used since May, since the last month, I guess you could say, because ever since this machine's been used almost quite a bit, but I do like this machine, so I hope at some point this thing will, I really hope some point this thing will get used this year for 2025 exactly, but yeah, I mean, I really hope so this thing will get used this year for 2025 exactly because, well, I really hope some point this thing will get used this year for 2025.